Hello, dear children. Today, we will learn about compound words. Do you know what compound words are? Let's see the definition. What are compound words? Compound words are formed when two or more words are joined together to create a new word that has an entirely new meaning. For example, sun, flower, sunflower, mail, box, mailbox, rain, bow, rainbow, jelly, fish, jellyfish, butter, fly, butterfly, ice, cream, ice cream, water, melon, watermelon, pan, cake, pancake, lady, bug, ladybug, foot, ball, football. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.